As the young boy watched the leaf twirl to the ground, he couldn't help but feel a sense of wonder at the beauty of nature. The crisp autumn air was refreshing and invigorating, and the colors of the leaves were like a brilliant tapestry spread out before him. Suddenly, he felt a tiny peck at his hand and looked down to see Woodstock, the little yellow bird, perched on his finger. The boy smiled and offered him a piece of the cookie, watching as the little bird pecked away at it with gusto. But just as the boy was about to take another bite of the cookie, a gust of wind caught hold of it and sent it tumbling away. Disappointed, the boy turned to Woodstock with a frown, but the bird chirped happily and hopped onto his shoulder. Together, they wandered through the park, enjoying the crisp autumn air and the rustling of leaves beneath their feet. The boy couldn't help but feel a sense of adventure and excitement, knowing that anything was possible in this magical season. As they walked, they came across a group of squirrels, busy collecting acorns and storing them away for the winter. The boy watched in fascination as the squirrels scurried up and down the trees, their bushy tails waving in the breeze. And so the boy and Woodstock spent the afternoon exploring the park, making new friends, and enjoying the simple pleasures of life. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, they made their way back to the spot where they had started, watching as the last rays of sunlight turned the leaves to gold and amber. As they settled back onto the grass, the boy couldn't help but smile as he thought about the adventures he had shared with Woodstock that day. And even though his cookie was long gone, he knew that the memories they had made together would last a lifetime.